What's up guys, this is Ace Gaming here with a website tutorial on how to make one. So first of all, you'll be learning the language of HTML and CSS. So this is HTML and CSS. The first thing you want to do is download brackets from the store. This is what we'll be making today. You can change the colors and make it look better. This is just a demo so you guys can all see. Okay, so you want to go to brackets.io and just download brackets, or just search up brackets and click on this thing and just go there and download it. So anyway, I'm going to get down to explaining all of this, okay? So first of all, HTML up here, this tag here and this tag here is saying this is starting the program here. So this is starting what is going to be run on the website, and this is just ending it. So it's telling stop, okay? So it's going to stop everything. So anyway, what you want to start off with is header, title, tutorial. You just call it anything you want. You can literally call it anything you want in this part here. And then you want to do /title/header, okay? This might look confusing, but it's really not once you understand it, okay? So this up here is just what you're going to see in the tab, okay? So that's just what you're going to see up here. So like tutorial website there. I can change it really simple. Just name it whatever you want. This is a here /title tag. Okay, so then if I file save, top of the page, it's got, this is a header and a cell, okay? Then what you want to do is you're going to type the body tag. Okay, forget all that actually. You can erase that. Okay, so the body tag, you can type it in normally, and if you file, I'm going to show you this really quickly. So you're going to go file, save as, name it whatever you want, HTML tutorial, whatever you want. And then the most important thing is to do .html. So name it whatever you want, then .html. Save as, type all files, just so you can open it on any browser you want, okay? So I'm not going to save it because I've already got it there. And then you want to do file, save, and then you want to have a look and see how that looks. So it's not right. I'm just going to erase this. I'm not going to erase it because then I'm going to have to do some more. Okay, so you get this part, and then H1 means header 1, okay? So this means how big the writing is. It's going to be a header, okay? This header is just for the tab thing. Don't get confused. A header is this. Literally, it's just that, okay? So anyway, inside, back up to the body tag. Inside, if you want to change the background color, you can do BG color equals, I'm going to do light blue. I'm pretty sure I can do that. File, and then you can save it. And there we go. I think it's a light blue. I don't like that color. Maybe I'll do sky blue, just cause. File, save it, and then reload, and it's a sky blue. So I've explained this hello part, I've explained the background, and this blue thing in here is a div, okay? This is, you can add pictures in here. I'm not going to show you how to add pictures in this tutorial, because it's going to be a really quick one, okay? You're probably asking, how did I get text in here? So first I'll tell you how the div works and how to make it. So first thing you want to do is you want to do, actually no, I won't explain the div. So this hello, okay? Okay, so it will usually start at this angle, okay? Save. This is how it's going to look. Okay, it's going to start here. To get it to the center or to get it to the right, all you're going to have to do is go align equals, and then center or right or whatever. Okay, but I'm just going to keep it in the center. File, save all. You can do save all or control, I don't know, I can't remember. So it's in the center, okay? This part here, the whole div, I'm going to explain it, okay? So, font color equals red. That's the font color, okay? And then I'm going to do div. So div is the tag here. Div, and then you're going to do space, class equals, and those things, and then whatever you want. Don't name it div, HTML, body. Don't name it any command, okay? Otherwise you're going to wonder why there's problems. Okay? So just call it some random word. So I just named it pro just cause to see what it was. It stands for program basically. So then you can write in whatever you want. So I put header 2 just so it goes to a big writing but not too big writing. But it didn't really go big, so I might change that to H1. Okay. And then you just put whatever writing you want. This BR tag, okay? This means line break. So instead of having all of this on one line, say I want to go this and press, if you pressed enter without the BR tag, nothing would happen. Literally, the thing would be nothing. So actually I'll give you an example, okay? So, file, save. This is what it would look like, okay? It's going to look massive. You can keep it like that if you want, but once you get to the end, it's just going to go off the edge. There's no point. So what you can do is you can go BR. That's just a line break, okay? Simple as that. And this slash and stuff is just telling you to end whatever the tag is. Okay, so now we're going to get to styling this div, okay? So style type equals text / CSS. If you're doing this in brackets, it'll automatically come up with, so you just type in style with that thing in front of it, and then put the letter T, and it should come up with type, and then do equals, and then put those, and it should come up with text / CSS, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to do dot, whatever you named it, and you want to use this, and then go to background. It should automatically come up, so if you do background, oh, whoops, it won't work in here because you have to type it in between this. So I put back, so look, it's going to come up with all of that. It's got background color already, so you can just click that and it's already there. But I already have it, okay? So, background color is blue, so that's the background color of the div. Okay, you got that? Cool. Width, that's how big it's going to be. Height, that's how high it's going to be, okay? So, yes, and I've ended the body tag and I've ended the HTML tag, okay? Hope you guys understood this. Yeah, I'm going to write some content on my website now. Okay, so I'll do maybe outside of the tag. So say after the style, I'm going to write something like P. P means paragraph, okay? So I'm going to put this. I'll put I am writing random. No, actually, I'll put I'm writing with a P tag. This is really simple to make a website. Just don't use Wix, please. Just no, it's barely coding unless you do some editing stuff, I heard from a friend, but no, just don't use it. Just do it yourself. You can customize it to however you want. I'm not using a template with Wix, which is rubbish. I am writing with a P tag. See how this is red and this is red here? Yes. So you want to change this to a different color. I didn't end off this tag, that's why it's going all the way down my page for every font. So it says font color equals red. So after this, I could do /font. Okay, and it already came up with it. I just keep typing. So literally, you just have to type the sign thing, and then so that thing right there, and then do the slash, and then it will literally come up with it because it knows. It's a very intelligent text editor, I think. And reload, and it's going all the way back to the default one, which is black. Up here it's black. So you can change the text color very easily. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you understood. Please like and subscribe. There'll be another one coming out soon. Thanks for watching.